Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to whistle like an owl. This will be an animal sound tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now before I start, I will say this. I am an absolute beginner at doing this, and I actually just learned how to do it today, and I managed to do it several times. So I'm going to show you how I did it, what I learned. It might not be 100% effective right now when I try it, because it does take some practice, and I'm not perfect at it yet. But since it's so fresh, the learning of what I learned, I wanted to show you what I learned. And I promise you, I did do it many times today, okay? But you might have to see me fiddle around before I get it, just for full disclosure. Okay, so essentially what you want to do is you want to create an instrument with your hands. So you have two options to do this. You can either go fingers through fingers like that, or you can sort of take your hands like this, cup them like this. But essentially you want to get your thumbs together like that, cup your hands or put your fingers through each other, and you want to create a completely closed off environment in your hands, okay? And your thumbs are going to be almost like the mouthpiece. So I used to play a trumpet when I was younger, and a baritone actually, when I was in elementary school and high school. And your fingers end up being the mouthpiece. Now what happens is the air, you're blowing into your thumbs, and the air goes through your hand and comes out the bottom opening of your thumb. So you're essentially making an opening with your thumbs, with your hands close together, just a small opening like that. You're blowing in through the top, and with a completely sealed off environment, wherever the remainder of the hole is, your mouth covers part of that hole, but whatever is remaining is what creates the sound, okay? So I'm going to try it now. Like I said, you're probably going to hear me get close before I get it. I might get it right away, but you're probably going to hear me get close before I get it. But listen closely. It's going to sound very much so like an owl, okay? And you're going to have to experiment with how much breath you want to put forth. I found a little bit more success when I don't breathe as hard into my thumbs. Let's create that closed off environment like that. Bring our thumbs with a little gap, just like that. As you can see, just a little gap, and we'll try it out. So you can almost hear it happening right now, right? I can hear some air escaping, so I got to close up my hands a bit more. There you go. So that's basically it. It's not hard. I will say I probably practiced for about 25-30 minutes before I managed to get it. Your hands will start hurting because you're pushing them together, but you got to experiment. The first time it took me like 20 minutes to get the first sound. And then the next time it took me 5 minutes, you know, and then now like within a few minutes of this video, I was able to recreate the sound. Now, I tell you, I probably won't be able to do it again that quickly, right? Because I'm still learning, but what you saw there is I actually just licked my thumbs on the inside because a little bit of moisture helps that wind create that sound, okay? So, as you can see, it does take practice. I was able to get the sound, the owl sound, a couple times in the video. And like I said, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say like I'm a pro and I've done this for years. I literally learned this today. But the learning of it was so fresh that I wanted to create this video. So once again, closed environment with your hands, little bit of a gap, and you want to experiment. So you want to go a little bit tighter, a little bit more wide, right? Experiment until you get it right, the way that it's going to make the sound. And when you get it right, you want to continue doing it a few times like I did, because then you're going to sort of train your muscle memory and your mental memory to sort of know how to recreate it. So that's it. That is essentially how to whistle like an owl. Simple animal sound tutorial. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.